In this video, we are going to understand how to add the two numbers using the input function. Now, in the previous program that you would have noticed, when we were using the input function, it was not showing the data type as integer, it was showing as string, because it was the input taken by the input function is always as text. So how to deal with that? So for that we have to do the typecasting, and the typecasting is done like this. So it's basically like the logic is simple that you have done earlier also. Like you are using a variable called first number, and you are using an input function, and you are asking the user to enter a number. Now this number will be in the form of text, so we have to do typecasting. So what we are doing is we are saying int, in the brackets we are saying whatever the value is received by the input function, that value should be converted into integer, and after that it should be stored in this variable first number. So the flow of control is always from right to left. So it's basically like input function will take the value from the user, that value will be, this is the most rightmost thing, so this will be passed to the integer function. So that value will be converted into integer, and the integer value will be stored to the first number variable. So it always goes from right to left. This is the rightmost, going to the left, then going to the left. So likewise for the second number also, we are taking one variable called second number, and we are saying that whatever the value will be taken by the input function by the user from the keyboard, that should be converted into integer first, and after that stored in this particular variable. After that you are putting a simple formula, let's say sum is equals to first number plus second number. So here also you are noticing that the flow of control is always right to left. Let's say we have given the first number as 10 and the second number as 20, so it's like 10 plus 20, that will be 30, and this is from the right hand side, so this will be stored onto the left hand side in the sum variable. So after that we are printing that the addition of the given numbers is sum. If we execute this program, as you can see up over here, click on the run module, and it is asking to enter the first number, let's say 10, and then enter the second number, let's say 20. So it is converting them into integer, and after that putting the addition of the numbers and giving the result as addition of the two numbers is 30.